humans have always been curious about time. From the earliest days, our ancestors looked to the sky, observing the movement of the sun, the moon, and the stars. These celestial bodies were the first timekeepers, guiding the rhythms of life. Early humans lived by the sun. The sun was their clock, dictating the flow of their daily activities. They woke when the sun rose, beginning their day with the first light of dawn. The morning sun signaled the start of their daily tasks. They slept when the sun set, retreating to their shelters as darkness fell. But life was changing. With the advent of agriculture, humans began to settle in one place, leading to the development of more complex societies. As these societies grew, so did the need for a more precise way to track time. People needed to coordinate activities, plan for the future, and manage their resources efficiently. Imagine planting crops or scheduling meetings without a way to measure time. It would be chaos. The need for order and predictability drove the invention of timekeeping devices. This need to measure time led to the invention of the first clocks. Sundials, water clocks, and shadow clocks were among the earliest tools used to track the passage of time. These early timekeeping devices were simple yet ingenious. Sundials used the position of the sun's shadow to indicate the time of day, while water clocks measured time by the steady flow of water. Yet they represented a huge leap forward. These devices allowed people to measure time more accurately than ever before, transforming the way they lived and worked. They allowed humans to organize their lives with greater precision. Daily activities could be scheduled and tasks could be divided more efficiently. They could plan for the future with more confidence, knowing that they had a reliable way to measure the passage of time. This ability to plan and organize was crucial for the growth of civilizations. The invention of timekeeping marked a pivotal moment in human history. It was a fundamental step in our journey from simple, sun-dependent beings to the complex, time-conscious societies we are today. Timekeeping devices evolved over the centuries, becoming more accurate and sophisticated, but their impact on human life remains profound. They are a testament to our enduring quest to understand and master the passage of time. One of the earliest and simplest methods for measuring time was the sundial. Imagine a sunny day, thousands of years ago. A stick stands upright in the ground. As the sun moves across the sky, the stick's shadow changes length and position. People marked these positions on the ground. They created the first sundials. Sundials were surprisingly accurate. They were used for centuries by many cultures, but sundials had a big drawback. They only worked when the sun was shining. Cloudy days rendered them useless. The need for a more reliable timekeeping device led to the invention of the water clock, also known as a clepsydra. The clepsydra used a simple principle, the steady flow of water. Imagine a container with a small hole in the bottom. Water drips out at a consistent rate. Markings on the container indicate the passage of time. Clepsydras were more reliable than sundials. They worked even when the sun wasn't shining, but they still required maintenance. The water flow had to be carefully regulated. The Middle Ages saw the emergence of a groundbreaking invention, the mechanical clock. This marked a significant departure from earlier timekeeping devices. Instead of relying on the natural movement of the sun or water, mechanical clocks used gears and springs. These components were precisely engineered to measure time. The invention of the mechanical clock was a game changer. It revolutionized timekeeping. For the first time, time could be measured with a high degree of accuracy. Section 5, Pendulums and Precision, a new era of timekeeping. The quest for ever more accurate timekeeping continued. In the 17th century, the pendulum clock was invented. This innovation significantly improved the accuracy of timekeeping. The pendulum clock used the regular swing of a pendulum to regulate the movement of the clock's gears. This innovation, pioneered by the brilliant Dutch scientist Christian Huygens, allowed for unprecedented accuracy. Clocks could now keep time within seconds per day. This precision was crucial for scientific advancements in navigation. Section 6, From Quartz to Atoms Modern Timekeeping. The journey of timekeeping has been a fascinating one, evolving from simple sundials to the highly sophisticated atomic clocks we rely on today. The 20th century brought about another revolution in timekeeping, the advent of electronic clocks. This era marked a significant shift from mechanical to electronic, paving the way for more accurate and reliable timekeeping devices. These clocks replaced the traditional gears and springs with electronic oscillators. The electronic oscillator, a key component, vibrates at a consistent frequency, ensuring that the time displayed is precise and dependable. Quartz clocks, in particular, became extremely popular. The discovery of the piezoelectric properties of quartz crystals revolutionized timekeeping, making it possible to produce clocks that were both highly accurate and affordable for the average consumer. They offered remarkable accuracy and affordability. Quartz clocks quickly became a household staple found in homes, offices, and public spaces around the world. Their reliability and low cost made them accessible to everyone. But the ultimate timekeepers today are atomic clocks. These marvels of modern science take precision to an entirely new level, using the vibrations of atoms to measure time with unparalleled accuracy. They use the vibrations of atoms to measure time. Specifically, atomic clocks often use the vibrations of cesium or rubidium atoms, which oscillate at a highly consistent frequency, providing a stable and precise timekeeping standard. Atomic clocks are incredibly precise. Their precision is so high that they are used to define the international standard for the second, the fundamental unit of time in the International System of Units, SI. They lose less than 1 second every million years. This level of accuracy is crucial for various applications, from scientific research to global communications, where even the slightest deviation can have significant consequences. This extreme accuracy is essential for GPS navigation, scientific research, and maintaining global time standards. GPS satellites, for instance, rely on atomic clocks to provide precise location data, enabling everything from navigation systems in cars to the synchronization of financial transactions across the globe. The role of atomic clocks in modern society cannot be overstated, as they ensure the smooth functioning of countless technologies and systems that we depend on every day. Section 7. Timekeeping and Civilization, an Intimate Relationship. Timekeeping is not just a technical achievement, it is a profound aspect of human culture and society. The history of timekeeping is inextricably intertwined with the development of human civilization. From the ancient sundials of Egypt and Babylon to the intricate water clocks of China and Greece, each culture has contributed to our understanding of time. From the earliest sundials to the atomic clocks of today, our ability to measure time has shaped our world. The mechanical clocks of the medieval period revolutionized timekeeping, allowing for more precise and consistent measurement. The invention of the pendulum clock in the 17th century further refined this accuracy. Timekeeping has enabled us to coordinate activities, advance science, and navigate our planet. The development of marine chronometers in the 18th century was crucial for navigation, allowing sailors to determine their longitude at sea with unprecedented accuracy. It has also influenced our perception of time itself. The regular ticking of a clock has become a metaphor for the passage of time, influencing how we think about our lives and our place in the universe. We live in a world governed by schedules and deadlines. The Industrial Revolution brought about a new era of time discipline, with factory whistles and time clocks dictating the rhythm of daily life. Our understanding of history, our plans for the future, are all framed by our ability to measure time. Historians rely on precise timelines to understand the sequence of events, while futurists use timekeeping to project trends and make predictions. In this way, timekeeping is not just a tool, but a lens through which we view the world. Section 8. Fun Facts Through the Ages. Here are some fun facts about timekeeping. Did you know that the ancient Egyptians were among the first to divide the day into 12 hours? The world's oldest known mechanical clock is the astronomical clock in Prague, which dates back to the 15th century. The word clock originally comes from the Celtic word cloca, meaning bell. Section 9. The Inexorable March of Time. From the shadows cast by the sun to the vibrations of atoms, the quest to measure time has been a constant in human history. As we continue to refine our timekeeping methods, we gain a deeper understanding of the universe and our place within it. Time marches on, and so too does our fascination with its measurement.